I'm out for a walk with the dogs, and this hill is kicking my butt right now. I'm trying to make noise in case there's any animals out here. And my orange, just in case there's some hunters. But I'm out of breath. Just checking in. I'm getting close to my year mark, October 5th, I believe. And I've learned lots of things. I've learned how things are not helpful. I've learned some things that are helpful. I've also learned if you really want something, you have to work for it. And you have to be prepared to work hard for it and struggle and suffer because it's worth it. Maybe that didn't fully kick in yet, but the walks that I've been doing every day for the last 3 months, I haven't missed a day, maybe longer. It really helped my mental health, and the beauty right now out here is just phenomenal. The colors of the trees changing, it's just beautiful. I could flip my camera, but it really doesn't show the beauty of it. You have to experience it. So I'll do a big check-in October 5th on my year and run through the changes I've had and where I am with my weight and my measurements and everything. So until then, have a great day.